Now that you are clear about differences between test and production environments, would you like to try to move your application to the production with Amadeus Self-Service API to get all this benefit in productions? Hi, my name is Minji, Developer Advocate at Amadeus for Developers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to move to production for your application in Amadeus for Developers portal. It's very easy. Let's get started. I am here in the developers.amadeus.com. As I mentioned in the previous video, this is a fundamental website that you can get all the information about APIs and try your APIs. I am already signed in. In order to check your applications, mouse over your names and then you have to click the My Self-Service workspace. As I mentioned in the previous video also, this is where you need to create your application in the test environment to try and to get the API keys. So here today, I have a two test app and I'm gonna try this one to go to productions. So you just click the app. This is where you get your API keys and secret. And here there's a button that get production environment. So click this one. Let's move to production. So we have three steps here, it's clearly indicated. So first, you need to fill the personal and billing informations. So here, I'm going to fill my informations. Information, there's a description, describe briefly the type of app you want to launch. This can be just high level. This is just for our teams to have a look at what type of application is being built. And if you found any interesting, we may contact you. So I will just say test production app. Have informations, gonna be business to consumer. And the next questions is about, does your app use an API that require validations? So here there's only one API that require the validation so far, which is the flight create orders. Flight create orders, in order to move this API to productions and in order to use this API in the production, you need to contact with any airline consolidator to proceed your flight booking and issuance. The details information I will go through in the next tube series for flight booking engine. So in this video, just to make it simple, I'm just gonna click the no. Let's try it to the next step. So next step is a payment method. So we have two payment methods. One is a credit card and one is a bank transfers. The reason that we have two methods is there are some country that has, for example, high credit card fee, or there are some country that has a high international bank transfer fee. Consider both cases. We have put in place these two methods. Just for your information, so if you're using the credit card method, it will take maximum 72 hours. And if you choose the bank transfer, it will be slightly more than that. But I cannot guarantee like what exact time, but just for your information, the credit card will be faster. All right, so I have filled my card details information. So let me try to click next. Payment information update successfully. That's very good. So now as a last step, you need to sign the agreements and terms and conditions. So here, all the DocuSign contract has been displayed. Read through all the terms and conditions, and then I will agree to continue. That's great. So your application was moved to production successfully. So after 72 hours, this is the place that you can check your production API keys, same as where you can check the test API keys. So as you can see, this is the test keys with the base URL test.api.amadeus.com. And on the right side, now we have a production key is created and then api.amadeus.com as a base URL. So let's try to use this production key. So in this case, this time I'm going to use Postman. As I mentioned in the previous video that we have also Postman collection that you can download and then you can shoot all the self-service API as you wish. So here, I already put the production environments with the production key that we just saw. And then here, I just gonna authenticate. Careful. So this is the common mistake that when users go to productions, then you need to make sure that you change the base URL to api.amadeus.com. So I just removed the test.part Let's try again. And yes, I just got the token, the access token. So let's try to shoot, for example, flight offer search. Here again, make sure that you change the base URL. And we are sending the production access. And now, voila, we have the response from the production access. That's it. So this is how you use your production access. And don't forget that in production access also has a free quota, so you won't be get charged as soon as you move to the production. So feel free to use this free quota to test your application in production access. So this was the last episode of this series, getting started with Amadeus Self-Service API. In next series, I'm gonna start Flight Booking Engine 101, which is the most popular functionality and application that you can build with Amadeus Self-Service API. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next. Bye bye.